Ladies and gentlemen, let's give our graduates a warm round of applause. Please be seated, everyone.
Hi guys, you know testing.
For the opening of our ceremony today, please join us in enjoying the beauty and elegance of the Merak dance presented by our talented students from grade 10, Nikita Sentano and Alicia Rainindya Amboro. This dance is a contemporary traditional dance that captures the beauty and vibrant spirit of the peacock bird. You can see this beauty come to life through the dancers' costumes, richly colored to mirror the bird's plumage, complete with the stunning spread of its wings and tail. This philosophy is a perfect reflection of our graduates today. They are ready to spread their own wings, inspire with creativity, character, and hard work they have developed during their time here.
salam kebajikan. Our highly distinguished guest, School Directress Miss Desi Andriani, SPSI, Psychologist, Board of Management, Bapak Supriyana MPD, Pengawas Sekolah SMP Olivan, School Principal, Mr. Elsar Agung Triansa, BED, SPD, Vice Principals, Miss Kusrini, SPD, and Miss Bernadetta Lisa Andika Permatasari, SPD, MSI, teachers and staff, parents and students. Dear parents, students, ladies and gentlemen, a delightful morning to you all. Before we begin the official program, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Deb.
And my name is Rania.
We are pleased to host this Oliphant High School completion ceremony and witness the students celebrating their success. Today we mark this date as an exceptional day to celebrate the tireless journey of Oliphant Grade 9 students. Welcome to Oliphant High School Completion Ceremony 2026. Tireless journey, empowered to innovate, committed to care.
As your hostess today, we'd like to announce the flow of today's event proceedings, which will start with the National Anthem Indonesia Raya and Mars Oliphant, to be followed by an opening prayer, and then opening remarks by Pengawas Sekolah SMP Oliphant, principal speech, the reading of the completion decree, after that, graduates procession, then Pledge of Allegiance declaration, and the next is
Speech from students' representatives and speech from parents' representatives. We will also have a display of tribute from teachers. This will be then followed by students' performance. We will end our event today with moments of gratitude to parents.
Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, let us pay homage to our beloved nation and divine grace as we unite in the singing of the National Anthem Indonesia Raya, to be followed by Mars Oliphant. We kindly ask everyone to rise.
Sanalah aku berdiri warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Hamdan syakirin, hamdan naimin. Ya Allah yang Maha Pengasih, dengan hati yang penuh rasa syukur, kami panjatkan terima kasih atas segala rahmat dan petunjuk-Mu selama perjalanan panjang para lulusan dalam menuntut ilmu. Engkau telah memberikan kekuatan saat mereka lelah, kebijaksanaan saat mereka bimbang, dan keteguhan hati saat menghadapi tantangan. Jadikanlah setiap langkah mereka penuh berkah, dan bimbinglah mereka terus di jalan yang Engkau ridhoi. Semoga mereka tumbuh menjadi insan yang beriman, berilmu, dan bermanfaat bagi agama, bangsa, dan sesama. Amin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Tuhan yang penuh kasih, kami bersyukur atas kehadiran-Mu yang selalu menyertai perjalanan para lulusan. Terima kasih atas guru, orang tua, dan teman-teman yang setia mendukung dan menguatkan mereka. Kami bersyukur atas setiap pelajaran, setiap tawa, dan setiap tantangan yang membentuk mereka menjadi pribadi yang lebih dewasa, bijaksana, dan penuh kasih. Kiranya Engkau terus membimbing mereka dalam setiap langkah kehidupan, menuntun mereka menuju masa depan yang penuh harapan dan sukacita. Amin.
Dalam nama Bapa, Putra, Roh Kudus. Amin. Tuhan yang Maha Bijaksana dan Penyayang, kami mohon, utuslah Roh Kudus-Mu untuk membimbing para lulusan dalam menapaki jalan hidup yang baru. Berikanlah mereka kebijaksanaan untuk memilih yang terbaik, keberanian untuk menghadapi ketidakpastian, dan keyakinan untuk terus melangkah tanpa keraguan. Tanamkanlah dalam hati mereka nilai-nilai kebaikan, kejujuran, dan integritas yang kokoh, agar mereka bisa menjadi pribadi yang memberi inspirasi dan manfaat bagi dunia seperti Yesus Putra-Mu, Sang Juru Selamat kami. Doa ini kami haturkan kepadamu dengan pengantaran Kristus Tuhan kami. Amin. Dalam nama Bapa, Putra, Roh Kudus. Amin.
Om Swastiastu, Om Abdiwan Astu Namo Buddhaya. Dengan rasa syukur kami menyambut hari ini sebagai awal baru bagi para lulusan. Semoga mereka menggunakan ilmu dan bakat yang telah diperoleh untuk membawa perubahan positif bagi keluarga, masyarakat, dan dunia. Semoga iman mereka kepada Tuhan selalu menjadi sumber kekuatan dan harapan. Bukalah jalan bagi mereka untuk terus belajar, berkarya, dan melayani dengan penuh semangat dan kasih cinta. Om Shanti Om.
Terpujilah Sang Bhagawa yang Maha Suci, yang telah mencapai penerangan sempurna. Pada hari ini kita bersyukur karena bisa berkumpul bersama dalam keadaan sehat. Semoga para lulusan selalu berada dalam lindungan dan kasih sayang Sang Triratna. Semoga mereka merasakan sukacita yang mendalam atas pencapaian ini dan semangat yang membara untuk melangkah ke masa depan. Semoga setiap langkah mereka dipenuhi kebijaksanaan, kedamaian, dan kasih yang tulus kepada sesama. Semoga mereka menjadi cahaya yang menerangi dunia dengan kebaikan dan manfaat. Sampai sata bhavantu sukhitata, semoga semua makhluk hidup berbahagia. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Thank you. May God ease and bless our event.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is our honor to invite Pengawas Sekolah SMP Olivan, Bapak Supriyana MPD, to share words of wisdom and inspiration with us today. Please welcome Bapak Supriyana MPD with warm applause.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi, salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Kepada yang terhormat Bapak Wakil Bupati Sleman beserta Ibu, kepada yang terhormat Yayasan Olivan School beserta jajarannya dari jenjang SMP, yang kami hormati Bapak Ibu orang tua kelas 9 dan para siswa atau murid kelas 9 yang sudah dinyatakan lulus dari SMP Olivan. Saya mewakili Dinas Pendidikan Kabupaten Sleman yang sehari-hari saya sebagai pengawas pendamping di sekolah ini. Yang pertama mengucapkan selamat dan sukses atas keberhasilan Oliphant School yang sudah meluluskan siswanya dengan baik dan juga sudah diberikan berbagai bekal untuk murid yang didewasakan dan dididiknya. Jadi untuk orang tua juga sangat mendukung dalam hal ini, mendukung penuh untuk kegiatan putra-putrinya yang saat ini sudah berhasil lulus dari jenjang SMP. Yang selanjutnya mari kita dukung program pemerintah bahwa pemerintah Kabupaten Sleman yang sudah luar biasa berhasil di tingkat nasional mendapatkan penghargaan yang luar biasa dari dalam dunia pendidikan atau pendukung pendidikan, sehingga kemajuan-kemajuan yang ada ini mari kita dukung terus. Salah satunya kita di dalam wadah Oliphant School ini bersama-sama terus memajukan sesuai dengan fungsinya masing-masing, sesuai dengan tugasnya masing-masing. Mari kita berpartisipasi yang aktif untuk mendukung pencapaian-pencapaian dan kemajuan-kemajuan yang selanjutnya. Secara khusus di Oliphant School ini juga kami mendukung sekali program-program yang sudah dilaksanakan, dikembangkan sesuai dengan MBS, manajemen berbasis sekolah. Jadi sekolah ini punya ciri khas tertentu, unik, misalnya berbeda dari sekolah yang lain, silahkan dikembangkan supaya nanti punya ciri khas yang karakteristiknya menjadi pencapaian-pencapaian yang khusus dan bisa menjadikan hal yang didukung oleh berbagai pihak yang lain. Yang jelas pasti sekolah itu pasti bersaing, mari bersaing yang positif, bersaing yang baik, bersaing melalui prestasi-prestasi dan bersaing yang mengembangkan siswa dan putra-putrinya. Sekali lagi selamat dan sukses untuk keluarga besar Oliphant. Semoga semakin sukses dan berprestasi. Amin. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Encouragement to the graduating class and acknowledging their achievements. Please welcome to the stage.
Good morning, everyone. Once again, good morning. Lot of smile and joy today. We warmly welcome you all to this completion ceremony, Grade 9, 2025-2026, Grade 9 students. Distinguished guests, Ms. Desi Andriani as co-director, and management team of Oliphant School, school leaders, and teachers and staff, parents and guardians and families, and beloved students, Grade 9. So today I have a short message for you, Grade 9 students. Once again, I would like to say good morning. Hello, Grade 9 students. Are you here? Are you there? Okay. I would like to say that we are so proud of you. We are so proud of you. I think it's okay if we try to flashback about what we have done before. Started from grade 7. What do you have in grade 7? A lot of programs, survival camps, and then in grade 8, what is that? VEP, Vocational Exposure Program. And in grade 9, creative camp, and we have Gen reading time, and a lot of things that we have done. I just would like to highlight that you have done all of that experiences. And you know what? Behind of those experiences, there is value that you have learned. Do you get it? There's value, a lot of value. It can be creative, it can be about communication, collaboration, and a lot of things. We know that it's not easy. You have done your best. That's why we are really proud of you. So, I kindly ask you to say to your friends, say to them, you have done your best. let's say to your friends, you have done your best. Give appreciation to your friends. Good job. Kita beri tepuk tangan untuk anak-anak kelas 9. And as you move forward, I just would like to highlight several values. The first one is, it's really important to find out about your potential. It's about your strength, weakness, and please know how to develop it. How to do that, sir? You should remember about this one. Self-awareness. Can you repeat after me? Self-awareness.
Self-awareness.
Good. Self-awareness is about finding about yourself. Understand about yourself first. You should do a lot of reflection to find out about who you are. Who am I? And it's not only about potential. More than that, self-awareness helps you to understand about the character that you have. About character that you have. Maybe it's unseen. Okay? That's why you need self-awareness, reflection, until you know what kind of value that actually you fight for. Moreover, in this era, a lot of tantangan banyak sekali. That's why you need to guide yourself by doing the self-awareness. Okay? The next one, after you have strong enough the way you take care of yourself, kan habis ini kelas 10 ya, tantangannya nggak gampang. Self-awareness is really important. If not, you will just flow with the flow and you are not realizing where are you going. Okay? After that, social awareness. Can you repeat after me? Social awareness.
Social awareness.
It means you really understand about your community. Started from the smaller one. It can be your friends, class, family, and maybe until the country and the world. What you need to know is, how can I contribute to the community? Because if we talk about the life, it's about impact. Okay? It's about impact. So, I hope that after you are graduated today, I know you will be in the grade 10. It means the responsibility is getting bigger. Okay? And kalian udah bertumbuh dan tanggung jawabnya makin besar. Saya yakin para orang tua di sini, papa mama itu melihat pertumbuhan kalian. And when you try your best to be responsible, they will give you a bigger trust. Jadi kepercayaan itu didapatkan dengan kamu bertanggung jawab terhadap apa yang sudah dipercayakan padamu. Paham sampai sini? Ya. Jadi kelas 10 sudah bisa ambil keputusan A, B, C, D. Tetapi ingat, bertanggung jawablah. Di situ kalian akan mendapatkan kepercayaan. So, after this I believe also you also have your own plan. Yeah. I would like to say that our best prayer is always be with you. Kemanapun kalian pergi, apapun rencana kalian. So once again, I would like to say we are proud of you. And for parents and guardians or families, this achievement is not only belongs to you students, but also belongs to you. It cannot be happen without your support and dedication. So thank you very much. And also, I would like to say thank you very much because you already trust us, Oliphant, to guide your students in terms of their education journey. So thank you very much. Let's give a round of applause for parents, guardians, and families.
Comes the moment we have all been waiting for, which is the main highlight of our ceremony, the presentation of the graduates. We kindly request the presence of Oliphant High School Principal, Mr. Elsar Agung Triansah, BEd, SPD, and the Vice Principal, Ms. Kusrini, SPD, to present our accomplished students. Please welcome to the stage. To all the graduates, please be prepared. As your name is called, please proceed to the stage, shake hands with the presenters, and pose for a photo. Starting from 9A class.
Akwin Kansa Khalifa Musta. Kristafani Zara Orvala Nugroho. Emeline Fevila Ataya. Nadia Felia Fadila Nur. Ivana Beril Metania Tasik. Milagros Oriana Kertawijaya. Odilia Natani Davina. Meisya Kirana Azhar. Leonidas Reinhardt. Emmanuel Abimanyu Satrio. Raihan Agakin Asmara. Jamaica Posteriano Febrian. Gisela Mohana Manuru. Yun Hwa Kim. Dewi Sentalu Sekar Satiti. Christopher Rainer Wibowo. Theodorus Lionel Vieira Putra Kupari. Abigail Valerie Sharon Gondowijoyo. Nelson Khairoli Ardeniansyah. Raden Mas Krishna Marsha Rizky. Billy Tirta Shandi. Graduates of 9A class, please arrange yourself for a photo with the principal and the vice principal of Oliphant High School. Congratulations to all students of 9A class on your great success. You might now make your way off the stage. Thank you so much.
In school, I will say that it has been an honor for all of us to witness your success and be part of your junior high school journey.
Our esteemed guests, at this moment, we would like to kindly ask the representatives of students, teachers, and parents to declare that we, the members of the Oliphant School family, will continue embracing and implementing Oliphant values wherever we are and at all times. We would like to invite the following students' representatives to come forward and lead the declaration of the Students' Pledge. Jamaica Fosteriano Febrian, Grazieva Idelaine, Sumin Cho, Nelson Khairalia Ardeniansyah, Anaira Tirta Rizaldia, and Milagros Oriana Kertawijaya. We request the presence of Miss Francisca Elvin Vicky Diananda, SPD, on the stage as the teachers' representative to declare their commitment to the pledge.
We. The graduates of Oliphant High School assemble this very day to commemorate our completion and set sail on a new adventure as associates. Inspired by our school noble dreams and hopes to conquer any social issues and complexity, we solemnly pledge to ignite positive transformation and be important catalysts for innovation in the world. First, we pledge to exemplify our caring hearts towards the betterment of society. We will stand firm for those in need, advocate for justice, and engage tirelessly to realize a more compassionate and equitable world.
Second, we pledge to unleash our creative minds freely. Since we know that innovation is the basic force of change. We promise to devote ourselves to thinking outside the box. Acknowledging new ideas. And fearlessly pioneering better possibilities. To the outraging social issues of the millennium. Third, we pledge to uphold collaboration, understanding that our unity comes above all individual efforts, we will uphold partnerships, bridge divides, and ally together to encourage inclusive communities where everyone can thrive.
Fourth, we pledge to think critically and recognize complex challenges. We will analyze problems from different perspectives. Questions any assumption. And discover innovative solutions for social issues. With intelligence and insight.
Fifth, we pledge to communicate effectively, amplify the voices of those who are silenced, and empower community with knowledge. We will carefully listen, speak our ideas articulately, and engage in meaningful interactions to accelerate better considerations and bring about positive changes.
bring about positive changes.
6. We pledge to be agents of empowerment.
We pledge to be agents of empowerment.
Inspire others realizing their full potential. We will commit to uplifting those around us. Nurturing their abilities. And rendering growth opportunities. We will be devoted to create a repetitious effect of positive transformation.
Ladies and gentlemen, we modestly request that you please stand up as we declare our commitment to the pledge.
As teachers, we have devoted ourselves to nurturing the minds and hearts of our students. We have imparted knowledge, encouraged creativity and rational thinking, and fostered life skills. Today, we solemnly pledge to continue mentoring our graduates, encourage them navigating the challenges that lie ahead. We will provide them with the tools and support required to bring their ideas to life and inspire them to practice their competence and knowledge to address social problems and create a better future.
As parents, we have witnessed the growth and development of our children firsthand.
We have cherished their dreams and supported their wishes.
And today, we pledge to stand by their side, encourage them embracing the values they have gained during their time at Oliphant High School.
We will be their base of strength, their source of unconditional love, rational understanding, and encourage them as they step their feet on this new chapter.
We devote ourselves to fostering an environment that empowers them to make a difference and create positive change in society.
Together, as a community of Oliphant High School, we will integrate the spirit of socialpreneurship. We shall prevail all challenges. And work fearlessly to overcome social problems. With compassion. Innovation. And collaboration. In the years to come, let us honor this pledge. Let us be the catalyst for innovation and community that our school has manifested within us. We believe we will not only bring honor to our high school, but also bring positive and lasting recognition to our communities and the world. Congratulations, fellow graduates! Let us go forth and be the change we wish to see.
Thank you so much to the representative of students, teachers, and parents, Ibu Intan Monica Budiharjo and Ibu Sabriya Sagitakono. To all the respected guests, please be seated.
Allow us now to call upon the representatives of the graduates to deliver their speech. Let's welcome Christopher Reiner Wibowo to the stage.
According to Ms. Desi Andriani, SPSE psychologist, as the director of Oliphant School, Mr. Elsa Akudriansa, SPD BED, as the principal of Oliphant High School, our school leaders, our special guests, our teachers and staff, the parents and families who gave up their Friday morning for this, and to the graduating classes of grade 9. We finally made it. I'll be honest, when I was told that I'd be speaking today, my first thought was, why me? Not because I felt unqualified, but because the graduating class is filled with remarkable individuals. Among you are students who excel academically, students who lead with confidence, students who create with passion, students who collaborate effectively, and students who quietly make a meaningful difference every single day. With so many inspiring people in this room, I couldn't help but wonder what I could possibly add. Then I realized that perhaps that's exactly the point. One of the things Oliphant has taught us is that excellence doesn't just come in one form. It isn't measured only by grades or awards, but also by leadership, creativity, teamwork, resilience, and character. I may not represent every strength in this room, but today I have the privilege of representing a class that has shown all of them. So here I am, and I'll do my best to make this worth your Friday morning. Before anything else, the parents, you've been waiting for this moment for 3 years. You've earned the first 2 minutes. Look at your kids here. 3 years. These are not the same people you dropped off on the first day of grade 7. They're not only taller, but also more responsible. And they have opinions now, which, depending on the day, you may or may not appreciate. Raising a person is daily, grueling work. For once in this room who kept showing up for it, who stayed committed, who gave their kids something steady to return to, what you built travels with us past today. We truly appreciate it, even if we never said so. To our teachers, a lot can get lost in events like this. So I simply want to say, thank you. Thank you for showing up every day for all of us. Even on the days when the class couldn't pay attention to save our lives, and on the many occasions we probably gave you stories to tell at home. One thing I've realized is that the best teachers don't just teach subjects, they teach people long after we've forgotten a formula, a date, or a definition. We'll remember the teachers who challenged us, believed in us, and cared enough to keep showing up. To all graduates, thank you. Not for anything specific, just for being around. There's a version of this year that could have been a lot harder. And for a lot of us, it wasn't. Not because things were easy, but because of the people in this room. A joke at exactly the right moment, sitting next to someone without knowing they needed someone to sit next to. Existing in the same space on a day that felt heavy and making it feel slightly less. That's not nothing, that's actually everything. Some of you have spent the last few years trying to find a way to fit. Not necessarily struggling, not necessarily failing. Just feeling like there was a version of yourself that never quite made it into you. The version that stayed quiet, held back, or seemed a little different from what everyone else expected. I want to tell you something that I've never said out loud in my life. I had a moment this year, private, nobody saw it, where I understood something I hadn't let myself understand before. That sometimes we spend so much energy trying to become the person we think we're supposed to be, that we lose sight of the person we already are. I don't have a perfect conclusion to that. I'm still working on it myself. Sometimes you have to be true to yourself to flourish and to find true happiness. You are not too much, you are not too little, you are not too quiet, too loud, too different, or too difficult to understand. The things that make you feel out of place are often the same things that make you memorable. And the parts of yourself you've been tempted to hide may be the parts most worth keeping. None of us have this figured out. I definitely don't. Some days I feel capable of everything. Some days I wonder if I'm capable of anything. Both are probably true. I stopped treating that as a problem to solve and started treating it as just the actual shape of being alive at this age. Life will cut, that part's unavoidable. But joy isn't something you find on the other side of the hard parts. It's something you decide to carry through. Quietly, stubbornly, on purpose. That is always a choice. We are just beginning. Timeless journey. I think that's exactly right. Because what happens in a place like this doesn't age. It just keeps getting more the further you walk from it. Dear class, carry today not just the ceremony, but the feeling underneath it. The knowledge that you were here, that you matter to the people next to you, that you left something in this place that wasn't here before you arrived. That's yours. No ceremony gives it to you, and none can take it away. Congratulations, grade 9, Oliphant High School. Class of 2026, we're just getting started. Thank you.
Representatives to deliver his speech. Bapak Danang Maharsa SA, please welcome to the stage.
Bapak Ibu, terima kasih atas waktu yang sudah diberikan kepada saya. Saya mohon izin kepada Bapak Ibu, orang tua, wali murid semuanya, karena saya hadir di sini untuk mewakili panjenengan semuanya, untuk matur dan mengucapkan terima kasih kepada Olivan dan kepada Bapak Ibu guru yang sudah membimbing dan mengajarkan anak-anak kita, sehingga anak-anak kita hari ini diwisuda dan selesai pendidikan di kelas 9. Diizinkan Bapak Ibu guru? Diizinkan Bapak Ibu orang tua? Oke, sebenarnya saya tadi juga ingin duduk di belakang seperti jenengan menyaksikan anak-anak kita, tapi kemarin disuruh untuk mewakili orang tua. Tapi karena ini bagian dari rasa terima kasih hormat saya kepada Bapak Ibu guru yang sudah membimbing anak-anak kita, maka saya memberanikan diri untuk memberikan sambutan pada kesempatan ini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang, salam damai sejahtera untuk kita semuanya. Salam berkah dalam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan, rahayu. Yang saya hormati Direktur Yayasan Olivan School, Miss Desi Adriani SPI. Yang kami hormati Kepala Sekolah, Mr. Elsia Agung Tensia. Betul ya Miss ya? Mohon maaf, orang sekarang namanya susah-susah. Mending Pak Supriyono, gampang ya Pak. Sekarang susah-susah, jadi mohon maaf. Yang kami hormati pengawas sekolah dari Dinas Pendidikan Kabupaten Sleman, Bapak Supriyono MPD, Matur, dan juga yang kami hormati tentunya Bapak Ibu, orang tua, wali murid, siswa-siswi kita yang hari ini lulus, dan juga yang kami hormati Bapak Ibu guru Olivan yang berbahagia, dan tentunya yang saya banggakan anak-anakku yang hari ini sudah diberikan pengelulusan. Makanya tadi Pak Supriyono itu tidak boleh mengatakan wisuda Bapak. Makanya penyerahan orang tua dari sekolah ke wali murid ini. Anak-anakku, boleh tidak saya meminta tepuk tangan yang meriah untuk guru-guru kalian yang hari ini sudah sukseskan kalian semuanya. Tepuk tangan yang meriah. Ini sekalian biar gak ngantuk kan gitu. Repotnya memberikan sambutan terakhir gitu wes loyo-loyo gitu. Biar gak ngantuk kan gitu. Alhamdulillah, puji syukur kehadirat Allah Subhanahu wa taala karena atas limpahan rahmat dan hidayahnya hari ini kita masih diberi kesempatan untuk hadir bersama-sama di sini di sekolah kita, di sekolah anak-anakku yang tercinta dalam rangka menyaksikan penghargaan kelulusan kelas 9 SMP Olivan dalam keadaan sehat walafiat tanpa kekurangan satu apapun. Suatu kebahagiaan bagi saya di sini bisa mewakili wali murid, orang tua untuk menyampaikan beberapa sambutan yang tentunya ini bisa menjadi penyemangat anak-anak kita untuk meneruskan pendidikan di jenjang yang lebih tinggi. Bapak Ibu, saya mewakili orang tua dan wali murid yang hadir tentunya mengucapkan terima kasih yang sebesar-besarnya kepada yayasan, sekolah, dan tentunya Bapak Ibu guru yang hari ini sudah menyelesaikan mendampingi pendidikan anak-anak kita sampai kelas 9. Tentunya tidak lupa doa dari kami yang kita panjatkan untuk Tuhan agar Bapak Ibu guru selalu diberi kekuatan, kesehatan untuk bisa meneruskan mendidik anak bangsa ini sesuai dengan keahliannya masing-masing. Kegiatan hari ini temanya adalah Timeless Journey, mengingatkan kita adalah pendidikan adalah sebuah perjalanan yang tidak mengenal batas usia dan waktu. Pendidikan, ilmu pengetahuan pasti akan kita bawa sampai kapanpun, dimanapun kita berada dan hidup sebagai makhluk sosial. Kalau jabatan mungkin tidak bisa dibawa sampai mati seperti saya pun. Harta benda mungkin tidak bisa dibawa mati sampai saya. Tapi kalau pendidikan pasti itu akan dibawa kemanapun sesuai dengan keahlian kita. Kalian, anak-anakku, nanti akan memasuki fase kehidupan yang menuntut semangat belajar yang lebih tinggi, kemampuan beradaptasi serta keberanian Anda semuanya akan dites untuk menghadapi tantangan zaman ke depan. Di era yang terus berkembang ini, era teknologi yang begitu cepat, keberhasilan tidak hanya ditentukan kecerdasan akademik saja, tapi juga oleh karakter yang kuat, integritas, kreativitas, dan kemampuan individu untuk bisa bekerja sama dengan yang lain. Hari ini pendidikan bukan hanya masalah transfer pendidikan melalui beberapa ilmu pengetahuan, tetapi hari ini yang diperlukan adalah pendidikan karakter dan pendidikan kepercayaan diri kepada anak-anak kita. Saya matur nuwun kepada Olivan tidak hanya memberikan pendidikan secara materi saja, tetapi sudah memberikan kepercayaan dan pendidikan karakter kita kepada anak-anak kita. Setinggi-tingginya ilmu bukan berapa banyak buku dan bukan sebetulnya apa buku yang kita baca, tapi seberapa dalam ilmu pengetahuan itu mengakar dan juga bisa kita dalami dan kita jalankan dalam kehidupan kita sehari-hari. Hari ini orang sukses bukan karena Indonesia orang pintar. Indonesia banyak sarjana, baik itu S1, S2, S3. Orang Indonesia banyak orang mampu. Tetapi hari ini Indonesia banyak krisis orang yang berani untuk menentukan keputusan di dalam hidupnya. Itu yang harus kita pahamkan kepada anak-anak kita, agar pendidikan karakter ini bisa menjadi suplemen anak-anak kita untuk menghadapi kehidupan yang akan datang. Pasti orang tua di sini tidak pernah ada yang menginginkan anak kita tidak sukses. Guru-guru di sini pasti mendoakan semua mantan-mantan muridnya ini akan menjadi orang sukses. Tetapi kesuksesan itu ada di tangan anak-anak kita sendiri. Orang tua hanya bisanya membimbing, mendampingi, membiayai. Guru bisanya hanya mungkin mentransfer ilmu, menantar ilmu pengetahuan. Tapi nanti keberhasilan ini ada di anak-anak kita sendiri. Coba saya tanya, apakah anak-anak ada yang tidak punya cita-cita? Ada nggak? Pasti semua punya cita-cita. Tapi pertanyaan saya, hari ini seberapa jauh Anda ini sudah melakukan usaha untuk meraih cita-cita panjenengan semua? Hari ini Anda akan SMA. Fase kehidupan remaja ke remaja ini pasti yang akan sangat mempengaruhi nanti kehidupan Anda di masa depan. Maka hari ini saya berharap anak-anakku jangan patah semangat, terus berjuang, karena yang akan membuat berhasil atau tidak adalah diri Anda sendiri. Terima kasih kepada Bapak Ibu guru yang sudah mendidik anak kita, dan terima kasih kepada orang tua yang sudah mendampingi anak-anak kita. Mudah-mudahan kita doakan ke depan anak kita menjadi orang yang sukses, berbakti pada orang tua, dan tentunya berguna bagi bangsa dan negara. Terima kasih, cukup sekian. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Santi Santi Om, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan, Rahayu, matur nuwun.
For the kind and touching words. Dear graduates, get ready for your next show. While you've been busy preparing for your exciting future, Your teacher have been secretly putting something together that's so special. They couldn't let you go without sharing their thoughts and well wishes. So, without further ado, prepare to be surprised with a video filled with heartfelt messages from all your teachers who are so incredibly proud of everything you've accomplished. We hope it brings a smile to your face and reminds you of the special connection they shared. Enjoy watching, everyone!
Wait! You guys are actually leaving? We need to investigate this.
Their cute and lovely smiles.
Menawi kepanggih matur. Sugeng nginjing, Mister.
Candaan mereka, their solidness, grade 9 cleverness,
Their personal uniqueness. Kalian luar biasa.
too cheeky to forget.
Senyumnya sama tingkatnya.
Guys, you are very energetic. Johnny, I think you guys fearless. Hebat.
Please be honest and responsible.
President, memories bring back memories, bring back you. Beyond.
Nah kan?
One big family.
Stay curious.
Unforgettable final page.
Hanyo Isa.
Just a beautiful beginning. The moment I will miss the most.
It's been 3 years, but it feels like only 3 days.
A journey I'll never forget.
A blink, but give us a lifetime of memories.
Okay, everyone is done with their interviews, but honestly, it feels so real.
Iya ya, rasanya baru kemarin pertama kali melihat mereka ke kelas 7, masih polos, seragamnya pun masih kegedean.
Now, look at them. They are ready for senior high school. Kita sudah melihat semua proses tumbuhnya mereka, from being so clueless to becoming so resilient like now.
Nah, kita kan nemenin mereka di fase transisi dari masa anak-anak jadi remaja. Makanya pas pelepasan besok rasanya tuh berat banget. Gimana caranya kita bilang selamat tinggal? Padahal kita belum siap kehilangan fisiknya mereka.
Hey Lionel, haven't you gone home yet? Ada banyak ketinggalan.
No, Mister, I actually waited until the school got quiet before coming here.
Kenapa sekarang? Kan besok pagi kita kumpul lagi buat graduation ceremony.
Because tomorrow will probably be too hectic, and I'm scared that I won't get the chance to say and look in all of you. Thank you. Thank you for not giving up on our badges, and thank you for becoming our parents while we were in this school.
education completed, to many memories, and too hard to say goodbye. So, see you guys. Goodbye.
Years later, Oliphant High School 26 are finally reunited again. Different dreams, different lives, but still the same kids from high school.
Gila, ternyata kita tua juga ya.
Kamu aja kalian tua. Guys, ini kita baru 10 menit loh ketemuannya.
Serius, tadi malam aku nemu video graduation kita.
Hah? Yang video biasa itu?
Oh no, pasti ada video malu-maluinnya.
Obviously.
Tapi kita belum latihan closing loh.
Hah? Sumpah?
무슨 일이 있다 어떤 모습이가 항상 사랑해줘서 고마워. 감사합니다. 사랑해. 언니도 사랑해.
엄마 아빠가 태어날 수 있어서 정말 행운이에요. 오빠 동생으로 태어날 수 있어서 정말 행운이고요. 우리 가족, I love you. Hi mom and dad, thank you so much for loving me and supporting me. I hope you guys live a long, healthy, and happy life. Thank you so much for being there for me and my brother. I love you.
Hi mom and dad, I just wanted to say thank you for everything that you have done for me, and also thank you for always supporting and loving me.
Hello Natalie, I'm making this video to tell you that you mean the world to me, and thank you for always supporting me. Thank you so much.
Halo Ma, halo Pa, makasih udah selalu saya, selalu sabar dan mau supporting me in every moment. So now, I love you guys a lot. Halo Ma, terima kasih untuk segala kasih sayang ya. Saya minta maaf untuk segala untuk segala masalah yang saya lakukan, dan saya akan berjanji untuk menjadi anak yang lebih baik. Love you.
Halo Mama Papa, makasih ya udah bikin aku menjadi diriku yang sekarang. I love you always and forever.
Halo Ma, terima kasih sudah mendampingi aku sampai sekarang dan sudah mengajar aku banyak hal. Love you.
Ayah Bunda, terima kasih udah mendidik dan mendukung aku sampai detik ini ya. Maaf kalau aku pernah berbuat salah dan membuat kalian kecewa selama ini. I love you guys. Halo Mama Didi, thank you for always carrying me throughout the years. I know I've been a bad kid. I promise I will become the best version of myself. Thank you for everything.
Hi Mom and Dad, thank you for being my light in the dark and always guiding me. I'm your daughter. I love you always and I'll do better every single day.
Hi Ayah, hi Bunda. Thank you so much for pushing me and getting me this far. I love you. Hi Mama and Dad, thank you for raising me. Hopefully my absence won't distance us even further, but will guide me to a brighter future. Love you.
Halo Bi, terima kasih udah mengunjungi aku. Semoga aku jadi yang lebih baik dan semoga aku bisa melanjutin bisnisnya Papi. Mas Love, untuk Papi dan Mami, terima kasih atas segala kasih dan dukungan yang selalu kau berikan kepadaku. Maaf jika selama ini aku ada salah, doa aku yang terbaik untuk kalian.
Halo Mama Papa, makasih ya buat semua hal yang udah kalian lakuin buat aku. Maaf ya kalau aku banyak salah. Doain terus ya, kalau biar aku jadi sukses. Makasih.
Halo Mama, terima kasih untuk kasih sayang dan perjuangan selama ini. Maaf kalau aku sering buat kecewa dan salah. Aku sayang kalian. Terima kasih yang sudah memberikan semua untung dan meskipun untung kurang sempurna, udah akan berusaha lebih keras dan membalas semua perbuatan udah.
Maaf Pak, terima kasih telah menjadi Grendel menjadi pribadi yang baik dan juga berguna untuk orang lain. Semoga Mama Papa sehat selalu dan juga rezekinya lancar. Love you Ma. Halo Ma, makasih ya udah didik aku sampai jadi kayak sekarang. Kalau ada salah atau gimana, sorry ya. Terima kasih Papi dan Mami atas kasih sayang, doa dan pertolongan kalian yang selalu ada untuk aku.
I am graduating grade 9. Thanks to you, Mom and Dad, this was possible. And thank you, me, for making you proud.
Hi Mom, Papa, thank you for loving me more than I ever deserve, even more than what you're capable of. Love you.
Hi Mami, hi Papi. I just wanna say thank you for your love and support. And Noni minta maaf kalau masih sering salah dan membuat kalian pusing. I love you guys.
Hey Mom and Dad, thank you for the support, love, and care. Maaf ya kalau kadang masih banyak salahnya sama Mbak Momnya. Love you guys.
Hai Mama, hai Papa, makasih udah mengusahakan yang terbaik untuk aku. Aku sayang kalian lebih dari sebuah kata yang bisa diucapkan. Hi Mom and Dad, thank you for always being there for me and always supporting me no matter what. I love you both.
Hi Mom and Dad, thank you for everything you've done for me. I'm really grateful for it. Halo Bunda semuanya, terima kasih atas semua doa dan support untuk aku dan mohon lanjut berdoa untuk masa depanku. Love you.
Halo Mama Papa, terima kasih sudah memperjuangkan masa depan saya dan maaf jika saya sering mengecewakan Mama Papa.
Hey Mom, hey Dad, thank you for all those efforts and all the things that you have done to support me these past years. I'm very grateful to have you all by my side.
Halo ya dan Bunda, thank you for always supporting me. Maaf kalau aku masih sering bikin kecewa and also be a better person in the future. Thank you so much Mama and Papa for everything that you've done and sacrificed for me from since I was a baby until now.
I love you guys so much. Halo Mama Papa, terima kasih sudah ngasih semua kasih sayang dalam bentuk apapun dan selalu support akuin. Aku sayang Mama Papa dan terima kasih Ayah yang udah makasih ya udah support dan selalu ada buat mereka sampai sekarang. Maaf kalau kamu masih suka ngeyel dan susah dibilangin. Love you yang udah.
Halo Mama dan Papa, saya terima kasih dan minta maaf untuk 3 tahun ini. Terima kasih untuk memenuhi kemauan aku. Walaupun saya udah ngomong sama
change. I promise I'll make you proud from here now.
Makasih orang tuaku untuk membantu saya hidup baik dan dapat skor bagus dan kehidupan baik.
Hello, Mama. Thank you for all that you've done. You've been such an amazing mother, and I'm so grateful to have you. I'm sorry for all the trouble that I've caused, and I hope to be a better person in the future. I love you.
Graduates, as you walk toward your parents, remember the countless sacrifices they made to help you reach this day. The late night, the early morning, the words of encouragement, and the silent prayers. Anak-anak, silakan datang ke orang tua kalian masing-masing. Ungkapkan rasa cinta, rasa sayang, dan ucapan terima kasih kalian kepada para mama dan papa. 3 tahun lamanya di Oliphant Junior High School. Mungkin sampai hari ini masih banyak cerita yang mereka belum sempat sampaikan kepada mama dan papa. Tapi satu hal yang ada di hati mereka, mereka akan terus menjadi bayi kecil mama dan papa selamanya. Kami akan berikan waktu kepada para keluarga untuk saling berpelukan, mengungkapkan kasih dan sayangnya. So, enjoy this beautiful moment, enjoy this time. Tidak terasa ya, sekitar 12 tahun atau mungkin 14 tahun lamanya mereka ada di dunia ini. Seperti baru kemarin mereka terlahir di dunia. Doa orang tua yang mungkin tidak pernah terdengar oleh anak-anak, atau mungkin sebaliknya, doa dari anak-anak untuk kedua orang tua di setiap malamnya.
Lihat sini.
Boleh Papa dan Mama tepuk pundak anak-anak.
Tepuk pundakku.
Ucapkan rasa bangga Papa dan Mama kepada mereka. Karena 3 tahun ini mereka berhasil melewati masa sekolah dengan sangat baik.
Apa namanya sekolah blend ini? Terus aku yang milih ininya.
Mereka juga sudah menyiapkan sedikit surat yang itu bisa jadi kenangan ketika nanti mereka benar-benar menjadi orang yang dewasa.
Yuk sini yuk. Sini.
This is a moment to cherish, a memory to hold. Let the love and gratitude that is remind us that the power of family, the strength of support, and the beauty of unconditional love.
Satu, dua, tiga.
Thank you, parents, for everything you have done.
Sana kalau mau cari guru. Udah boleh sekarang lah? Boleh. Mana aku? Ya saya burem ya. Minum.
Students, we have done with the parents. You may give your gratitude card for your teachers. Congratulations once again for the great wins on your achievement. May this moment be a lasting reminder of the love that surrounds you and the gratitude that fills your heart. Tanpa mengurangi rasa hormat, kami persilakan kepada Papa Mama dan anak-anakku sekalian untuk kembali ke tempat duduk karena sesaat lagi kita akan melanjutkan rangkaian acara ke penutup. Tanpa mengurangi rasa hormat, kami persilahkan kepada orang tua, guru, dan anak-anak untuk kembali ke tempat duduk sebentar karena sesaat lagi kita akan melanjutkan rangkaian acara pada pagi hari ini dengan penutup.
Halo kakak, selamat atas kelulusannya ya. Semoga kamu makin sukses, makin semangat, makin cantik, dan talenta-talenta kamu bisa memancar seperti sinar ya, matahari yang terus menyinari. Oke Davina, sekali lagi ayah ngucapin selamat ya untuk kamu. Mantap.